Welcome back, dear students. In previous video we studied about temple architecture. Now we will take next topic, medieval architecture. Medieval period was the period of rule of Delhi Sultanate. These rulers were art and architecture lovers. They built mosques, minarets, royal palaces, bridges and inns during their ruling period. Now we will study some examples of great architectural work during Sultanate era. Qutbuddin Aibak in 12th century founded Ghulam dynasty. He started construction of Qutub Minar at Delhi. After his death, the remaining work of Qutub Minar was done by his son-in-law Iltutmish. Qutbuddin Aibak also built Qutbul Islam Mosque in Delhi and Adhai Din Ka Jhopda Mosque in Ajmer. There are some great medieval architectural examples found at various places of India. In Bengal, during this era, many beautiful mosques are constructed in Bengal, but some of them are in ruin form. But few among them are well maintained by Archaeological Department of India. Among them are Adina Mosque at Pandua, tomb of Jalaluddin Muhammad Shah, and Tatipura Mosque are the specimens of medieval architecture. Next place is Jaunpur. In Jaunpur mosques, we can see the blend of Sultanate and Indian architecture. Dome was a specific characteristic of Sultanate era architecture, and we can see lotus on these buildings. That is an example and symbol of Indian architecture. In Jaunpur, a Tala mosque was built by the rulers of the Delhi Sultanate. There is an artistic grille around the dome and the ceiling is decorated with the Indian designs including lotus. Next is Malwa. In Malwa, Mandu buildings, tombs with impressive domes and carvings and marble tomb of Hoshang Shah are remarkable one. Other provinces. In South India, we can see some beautiful architecture in Gopuram and pillars that belong to medieval period. The Bahmani rulers built Gol Gumbaj at Bijapur, Madrasa at Bidar and Gulbarga. The rulers of Vijayanagar built Vitthal and Hazar Ram temples and many Gopurams. Dear students, now we will study about architecture of Gujarat. Temples of various religions, mosques, viharas, stupas, caves, chaityas of Buddhist and Jain temples indicate remarkable progress of architecture in Gujarat. Besides this, the royal palaces, forts, domes, gates, Kirti Stambhas means victory tower, dhamshalas, wells, stepwells, lakes and ponds, figures of animals and birds are the other beautiful specimens. First of all, we'll study about the temples. Temples of different sects have been built in large numbers in Gujarat. The notable among these are Bhadrakali Temple, Gita Mandir, Veda Temple, Jagannath Temple in Ahmedabad, Ranthrodaya Temple in Dakor, Sun Temple in Modera, Hatkeshwar Mahadev Temple in Vadnagar, Ambaji Temple, Shamlaji Temple, Somnath Temple, that is very famous, Jagat Temples in Dwarka, Bahucharji Temple, Mahakali Temple in Pavagadh, Swaminarayan Temple, Brahmaji Temple in Khed Brahma, Khodiyar Mataji Temple in Bhavnagar, Ashapurama Temple in Kutch. Next is mosques. Mosques were built by the Muslim rulers of Gujarat. The most notable is Jama Masjid, Siddhi Sayyad Grill, Mosque of Queen Sipri in Ahmedabad, Roza of Sarkhej and Jama Masjid of Champaner. Next is Jain temples. Jain temples of Hathisim, Kumbhariyaji, Sankheshwar, Siddhgiri, Shetunjayagiri, Palitana, etc. are quite well known from sculpture, architecture and carving point of view. Next is stepwells of Gujarat. The specific characteristic of architecture work of medieval period rulers of Gujarat are step wells. These rulers knew that this area is water scarcity area, so they built many step wells. That is the finest example of water conservation. Among these step wells, step well of Adlaj, step well of Dada, Hari, Harini Vav, Ahmedabad, Ranki step well of Patan, Hira Bhagor of Dabhoi, etc. are very splendid examples of step well construction. The other specimens of architecture of Gujarat are Fort of Bhadra, Teen Darwaja, Nagina Wadi, and Kakaria Lake in Ahmedabad, Rudra Mahalaya in Siddhpur, Sahasralinga Lake in Patan, Shamlaji Temple, Samadhi of Tanariri, Kirti Toran at Vadnagar, Munsar Lake in Viramgaon, and Malav Lake in Dholka. These are among the finest examples of medieval architecture of Gujarat. Dear students, now you have to write the question answers given in your textbook exercise. Write it in your notebook. All the detailed answer questions are very important for your examination point of view. Thank you.